Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Aina SYAKIRA from Bachelor of Landscape Architecture in UiTM Puncak Alam. I will be presenting my board on lab exercise 02 on working on spatial data. As for introduction, in this 618, we were taught on how to use ArcGIS system. Lab exercise 02 is about working with spatial data. It combines 3 continuous chapters from lab exercise 01 that focuses on spatial data, geoprocessing, and digitalizing. In those triple chapters is learning about vector data formats, exploring raster-based maps from S3 web service, extracting features for a study area, clipping features, digitalizing polygon features, point features and line features using advanced editing tools, and lastly, learning about spatially adjusting features. As you can see in this tutorial 525, firstly we will be learning about vector data formats. This tutorial starts with reviewing several files format that was commonly found for vector spatial data, other than the file geodatabase covered in chapter 4. We will learn on how to examine a shapefile, add coverage to ArcMap, convert a coverage to a feature class, add a CAD drawing, and export GIS feature to CAD. Meanwhile, in tutorial 5 to 6, in this tutorial, we will be exploring a raster-based map from S3 web service. Here are a few simple steps that we have to follow to accomplish the task on it. This chapter 6 is about geoprocessing. Going down for tutorial 6 to 1, we will learn on how to extract features for a study area. In this tutorial, we'll use two methods, selected by attributes and selected by location, which is to create study area features for one neighborhood in details using ArcMap geoprocessing tools. Meanwhile, for tutorial 622, you will use the clip geoprocessing tool to cleanly cut off the lower east side street segments using the lower east side feature class. Once this is done, the street will have no dangling line on the map. This step was shown clearly in this flowchart. Chapter 7 is all about digitizing. As stated in tutorial 7 to 1, we will learn on how to digitize polygon features by being introduced to editor toolbar, practice digitizing a polygon, how to move and delete it, playing with vertex point, and how to digitize commercial zones. But in tutorial 7 to 2, it was all about digitizing line features. Therefore, here we learn how to create a line feature class for bus roads, symbolize the bus road features, prepare area for digitizing, and start editing set endpoint and vertex snapping, digitize snapping to features, and entering bus route number. Tutorial 7 to 3 is about digitizing point feature. In addition to bus roads, point features for bus stop are needed for planning purposes. In this exercise, we'll digitize bus stop location as point. In this tutorial 7 to 4, there are several advanced editing tools. Here, we'll try to trace, cut polygons, smooth, generalize, and rotate tools, all of which affect the shape of digitized polygon. Lastly is tutorial 7 to 5. In this exercise, we'll transform an outline of a building so that it's correctly overlay the building and aerial image. All of it will be using the ArcMap Spatial Adjustment Tools Transform, Rubble Sheet, and Add Mesh feature in a shapefile or geodatabase feature class. For KTC folder of task 3, we will learn how to perform image to map transformation. As you can see, it shows on step by step to accomplish in the exercise. Okay, as a conclusion for overall, in this lab exercise 02, we had explored how the ArcGIS provide us with various useful tools on how to work with spatial data. That's all from me. Thank you.